mang laag na punta guys. Mabalik na punta gym guys. Ayan. So, negative 21 guys. Ayan, grabe. Napakalamig talaga. Ayan. So, let's go to the gym guys today. So nice the sun today, honey. I like it. Yeah, it looks warm, but wow.
It ain't warm.
But it's fake warm, my God. So nice. I really like because I can see the sun. Sus, guys, manlaag ako daan, guys. Guys, lagyan sa sun, guys. Nice getting sun karon, guys. Sus, but it's a fake. No, it's not, it's warm, but if we go outside, it's too cold. Grabe kayo malamig, guys. Sobrang lamig kaya, guys, kasi negative tayo dito, guys. How many degrees today, honey?
Minus 18.
Oh my God, minus 18 degrees here in Minnesota. Sus, grabe, mapasa na all talaga tayo dito sa Minnesota, guys. Negative 18 degrees. My God, wow. Sus, mapasa na all na talaga tayo dito sa place nila, guys. Smile na lang natin yung lamig dito kahit mayroong sun, guys, but my God, it's too fake. I can say it's fake because when we go outside, it's too much cold. Grabe talagang cold ngayon, guys. See, you can see the sun, but wow, it looks like it's warm. Yeah, it's warm. It's warm. You can see like it's warm, but no, it's not warm. It's negative 18 degrees. My God. Wow. Basta na all na lang tayo. So, ngayon guys, punta tayo ng LA Fitness again. So, I'm gonna go to LA Fitness to dance there for the Zumba char. So, ayan guys, napaka-close talaga yung LA Fitness namin dito. I think 5-10 minutes to try. Like 5 minutes, I think. Very close to the house. Ayan. So, ngayon guys, sasayaw na naman tayo, guys. Samahan niyo akong sumayaw doon sa LA Fitness, guys. Kasi na-miss ko na talagang magsumayaw yan. So, ayan. Punta tayo dyan, guys, ha. That's the right side. So we're gonna turn to the right here. Yeah. So we turn here, the right side here. Yeah. So nandito na tayo sa fitness gym, guys, sa LA Fitness Gym. Ayan, kasi gusto mo ito. Today it's Saturday. Saturday in the morning, 9, almost 10 o'clock a.m. here in Minnesota. I know it's night there. I know it's midnight there, yeah. So we need to find where we can park here. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa LA Fitness. Samahan nyo akong mag-gym again dito sa LA Fitness, guys. Ayan. So let's go. Bye for now. Bye. Yes, nandito na tayo, guys. Ayan. Samahan niyo akong mag-gym. Ayan. Nandito na tayo, guys, ha. Ayan. Samahan niyo akong mag-gym. Susuman na dyan tayo ng gym, guys. Madumi na tagpali. Ayan. Mamuli na ta guys. Ayan, tapos na po guys. Nakabihis na tayo guys. So, uwi na tayo guys. Ayan. Tapos na tayong mag-gym. Ayan. So, uwi na tayo guys. Time to go home. I'm done for my Zumba and my workout here. Ayan. So, tapos na ako guys. Uwi na tayo. Samahan nyo na akong umuwi guys. Ayan. Uwi na tayo guys. Ayan. Meron silang pool dito guys. Show ko sa inyo ang pool dito. Grabe. So, uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo dito guys.